Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to show hidden files, folders, and drive in File Explorer by default. So you can easily go ahead and open up your File Explorer. And when you open up File Explorer, you're not able to see these hidden files. And so take, for example, here in this PC, if I had any hidden drive or something like that, I would be able to show those hidden files. And so if I click view and go down to show, I'm able to, let's say, click on hidden files right here and hidden items, and that should allow me to show any hidden files or folders that I have here, right? And so I will be able to see that. Now, how you can do all of this by default so that you don't have to go through that, and if you're going through folders and whatever, you can see that. Just open up the File Explorer, click the three dots here on the top, and click an option. Now, on the option, just click and view, and you should find under hidden files and folder an option that says show hidden files, folders, and drives. Just go ahead and check this radio button right here and click on apply. And so by default, you'll always see those hidden files, folders, and drives on your Windows File Explorer on your PC. So you don't have to do it each time you open up File Explorer just to check these and so forth. And so everything will be visible to you and you'll be able to see all of those. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.